Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go, maybe and leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely perfect flashlight. This is great for having around the house, maybe in your car for an emergency, if you're going camping or traveling, because it's very, very versatile. So this was sent over by a company called HOTLIGH, and it's a small ECD flashlight. This thing is really, really cool. The particular model here is the ZF8319. Give you an idea of the size, it's very, very compact. It's about 5 inches in width or length, and then it's about 1.5 inches kind of the other direction, and then it's only 3/4 of an inch thickness. So very, very compact, easy to carry around with you, put in a backpack. It does have even a little belt clip here, so you can put this on like the straps of a backpack or your belt buckles. Now, this thing is very, very bright and powerful. So it's going to have a full dimming option from 10% to 100%. On the low end, it's gonna put out about 100 lumens. On the high end, it's gonna go all the way up to 2,000 lumens. So it's a very, very bright flashlight. Now, the whole thing is made out of a nice metal aluminum shell. So that means it's also hardy. You can step on this, you can drop it. It's gonna be able to handle the elements essentially. It also has a strong waterproof rating of an IP65. So if it starts raining on you or anything like that, you are going to be good to go. Now, you will notice on the one side, it does have a USB-C little slot here. This is how you're going to charge up the flashlight. It does come with a USB to USB-C cable, so you can easily do that. It's going to take you about 2 hours to fully charge up the flashlight if the battery is completely dead. And then for the low mode, if you have it on the lower settings, you're going to easily get about 13 hours out of that 1,600 mAh battery. How you're going to control it, very, very easy. There is a little sliding wheel here on the side. So go ahead and just press the button, and that's going to activate the flashlight and turn it on. To change the brightness level, just hold down that button and it will dim down or it will dim up. It's kind of, and then when it blinks, that's going to let you know that it's on the brightest setting that you can have it on, or the lowest setting that you can have it on. Now, this thing also does have a UV light on here, so go ahead and just switch on over and it'll turn on that UV light, which is another nice feature of it. And so you can go ahead and find any stains, spots, scorpions, all that kind of fun stuff. And then finally, it also is going to have an RGB light. The RGB light here is really, really cool. It's just a little strip right here. Once again, this is great for if you are looking for an emergency or anything like that. You can have this go ahead and draw attention, and then you can just simply press the button and you're going to notice it's going to have all the different modes. So you can go through the just regular on, it can go into the blinking, which is great for the emergency, and then it has these little lines going around as well. So very, very versatile use for that third time it turns it off. But very, very easy to control if you are looking for an absolutely great little flashlight that has also built-in UV lights. This thing is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.